Dear students, today let's discuss the exercise questions in the topic comparing of unlike fractions. In the last class we studied comparing of unlike fractions. Okay, at the end of this module you will be able to understand comparing of unlike fractions. Okay, let's discuss our first question. Find answers to the following. Write and indicate how you solved them. After seeing the questions, you can understand it well. First question, question A. Is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? Our question is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5. Here, the denominators are different. If the denominators or numerators are equal, then only we have to identify it is equal or lesser or greater, etc. Here the denominators are different. So first we have to equal the denominator. How we equal the denominator? Yes, we cross multiply. That means this first fraction multiplied with the second fraction's denominator and second fractions multiplied with the first fraction's denominator. In a simple way, 5 by 9 multiplied with 5, 4 by 5 multiplied with 9. Okay, this we studied already. First we have to do cross multiply 5 by 9 and 4 by 5. Then first we take 5 by 9. 5 into 5. 9 into 5. Okay. 5 into 5 by 9 into 5. Next, this 4 by 5. 4 by 5 with 9. That means 4 into 9 and 5 into 9. 4 into 9 by 5 into 9. Then 25 by 45. Then 36 by 45. Now the denominators are equal, 45, 45. Then is it same? 25 by 45 and 36 by 45 are same? No, these are not equal. Therefore, we can write 5 by 9 not equal to 4 by 5. This symbol is the symbol is not equal. 4 by 5. These are not equal. Just like we have to do the other three questions. 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9. If we we simplify the fraction. But here we cannot simplify 9 and 16 and 5 by 9. So here also for equalizing the denominators, we have to do cross multiply. 9 by 16 and 5 by 9. This 9 by 16 with a 9, that is 9 into 9, 16 into 9. Just like 5 into 16, 9 into 16. 9 into 9 by 16 into 9, 5 into 16 by 9 into 16. That is 81 by 144 and 80 by 144. Now here denominators are equal. Now is this same? No, these are not equal. Therefore, 9 by 16 not equal to 5 by 9. So, in these two cases, these are not equal fractions. Next, let's move to C question. 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20. So, first we have to simplify 16 by 20. What will we get? 16 by 20. 16 by 20. In 16 and 20, 4 is common. In 16, 4 times 4. In 20, 5 times 4. So, instead of 16 by 20, we have to write 4 by 5. That is 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. Yes. Is this equal? Yes, these are equal. Therefore, 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20. Okay. Next D question. Is 1 by 15 equal to 4 by 30? 1 by 15 we cannot simplify, but 4 by 30 we have to simplify. 4 by 30 we have to simplify like this. In 4, 2 times 2. In 30, 15 times 2. So this is 2 by 15. That is 1 by 15 and 2 by 15. Now denominators are equal, but 1 here 2. These are not equal fractions. So we can write 1 by 15 not equal to 4 by 30. Okay, these 4 questions we have to do like this. Next, let's move to second question. Ila read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Ila is a name of a girl. 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Total 100 pages are there. Out of these 100 pages, 25 pages she read. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? So first we have to find the fractions of these two students. Illa equal to 25 by 100. Total 100, then out of this 25. Then next we simplify it. 25 by 100. In 25, 125. In 100, 425. So 1 by 4 is there. The next fraction is 2 by 5. But no need of this, because if we simplify this, the denominator is 4. Here denominator is 5. Not same. Okay, Lalita's fraction is 2 by 5. So here 105. Denominators are 105. So next we have to equal the denominators. Next step, equal the denominators. These are the given fractions. So this first fraction multiplied with 5 and second fraction multiplied with 100. 25 by 100 into 5 into 5. Here also 5. Then 2 by 5 with 100 like this. 2 into 100 by 5 into 100. Then 125 by 500 and 200 by 500. Now denominators are same. Which is greater or smaller? Which is smaller? 125 by 500 is smaller. Okay. Illa, this fraction, illa, this fraction belongs to Lalita. So who read less? Illa read less. Okay. Illa read less. Next question, number 3. Rafik exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour, while Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time? Longer means greater. Out of these two fractions, we have to find which is the greater fraction. That is the question. Very simple. So we have to write the fraction. Rafik equal to 3 by 6. Rohit equal to 3 by 4. Here the numerators are equal. Out of these two fractions, numerators are equal. We studied when numerators are equal, smaller denominator is the greater fraction. Smaller denominator is the greater fraction. So 3 by 4 is greater. 3 by 4 belongs to Rohit. 3 by 6 belongs to Rafik. So Rohit exercised for a longer time. Next question, last question. In a class A of 25 students, 20 passed with 60% or more marks. 60% means first class. So 20 students passed with the first class. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed with 60% or more marks. 24 students got first class. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting with 60% or more marks? Greater fraction. So here we have to find which fraction is greater. First we have to write the fraction of class A and class B. Class A means 20 out of 25. That is 20 by 25. Class B means 30 and 24. So 24 out of 30. 24 by 30. Here these are the two fractions. For finding which is greater fraction, we have to equal the denominator. So first of all, we should find the simplification model. Simplify. We simplify it. 20 by 25. In 20 and 25, 5 is common. In 24, 5. In 25, 5, 5. 4 by 5. Next, we have to simplify 24 by 30. 24 by 30. In 24, 6 4 times. In 30, 6 5 times. So, both the fractions having 4 by 5 is the simplified form. 4 by 5, 4 by 5. Yes. Then which class has more greater fraction? No, both the class has same fraction. So we have to write, so same fraction of students got first class in the both classes. Both the fractions are equal. So we have to write like this. Okay students, next you have one follow-up activity. Follow-up activity is very simple. Find the next number. Here you can see 1, 2, 6, 24 dash. You find the answer of the fifth number. Okay. Thank you.